And there Oppa La Furia Roja looking for the lead, followed by Divine Choice. Si Basi Miss Mitty from the outside, running by Will Loving Me. Moving up is Lady Pegasus, then followed by Vampire. And going along for the first turn is La Furia Roja, leads by some 5 to 6 lengths, followed by Divine Choice. And running in third now is Lovin' Me. Down in fourth, Si Basib, Miss Miri, and Lady Pegasus. Down the half mile they travel, it's still La Furia Roja, leads by some 6 lengths. Divine Choice running in second, Lovin' Me, Lady Pegasus, and Siba Siba. Inside the last 600, La Furia Roja leads by some 4 lengths, followed by Divine Choice. And running in third, Lovin' Me, Lady Pegasus, Siba Siba. As they swing for home with La Furia Roja, leads by some 5, followed by Divine Choice in second, Lady Pegasus and Lovin' Me, but still La Furia Roja leads by some 5 lengths over Divine Choice, and finally La Furia Roja. Divine Choice, Lady Pegasus, Lovin' Me, Si Basib, Poryo Pentapecta.
Third choice lang yan.
Tulin pala sa gate nito.